Come and see. You feel come and see. Cryptocurrency. Come and see. DeFi bully. Nasa Bing Hobby. Subscribe to me. Me just bingo. In a crypto. Brand new money as I wake up. Hit the bell. Get alerted with the info. Like, comment, subscribe. What's up, people? It's your boy Nasa Bing Hobby. This is DeFi bully. Okay, people, today I got something special for y'all. And if there's anything I've learned in my journey in DeFi and crypto, is follow the trends. This one look like it's a new trend. Okay, simple, easy, give me that feeling of like baked beans. Like when you first seen that baked beans website, you was like, whoa, so simplistic. This have similar feelings resonating within me. But before I go deeper into OPTIMUS, which is paying 1% daily with 0 fees, please remember that we on that push. And we are so close. I can feel it. I can smell it. I can taste it. So do me a favor and like this video. Engage with the notification bell. And marry the subscribe button to death do you part. Now, OPTIMUS. Okay, let's go through it really quickly. OPTIMUS is an AI trading bot, pretty much. It's generating 1% daily income passively without doing anything except for holding the token in your wallet. Now, this is on a Polygon chain, so it does utilize the Matic token. What I did to swap some BNB for it, I used Change Now, and also I did swap a little bit of Avalanche for it as well. I use Change Now. It's pretty simple. You just go here, you select, and make sure you select in the right chain. So I just selected Binance with that, and then Matic with a Polygon right there. That's how I did it. You can use changenow.io. I'll probably put a link down below for you people that need that to bridge some tokens over to the Polygon. Now, this is so simple according to what it's saying. It says OPTIMUS is an AI trading bot that will generate revenue for the OPT2 holders, which is the token's name, the OPT2. I'll do a buy-in as well. And OPTIMUS earns 1% per day just trading its own token. So apparently they're using some type of, I believe the bots are maybe creating wallets and they're just trading amongst them, or just trading the token itself. Now, shout out to DeFi dude. It looked like he's behind this. So I got a little high hopes. You know, when you put your face on these type of things, you definitely want to make sure it's something that's gonna, you get me? So holding OPT2 is the best way to earn passive income from AI bots trading. Earn daily compounded interest simply by holding it in your wallet. Now, this is the big one right here, people. 0 fees. It says 0 fees. Okay, so I'm gonna put that to the test. All right, they got a lot of things over here that look cool. Something else I heard is the 1% that's paid out, another 1% is burned. Okay, to like keep that price action leveled. All right, I was taking a look at this, and as you can see by this chart, it's been on an uptrend since its launch. Few healthy dips here and there. It's looking pretty good. And on top of that, all right, for example, a few days ago it was at 20 cents. Now it's at 84 cents. Okay, that's a they come on now, quadruple the money, plus earning 1% daily on that. These things are becoming no-brainers. People follow the trends, hop on them, ride it out. So I'm gonna put my money where my mouth is. I'm gonna go ahead and purchase some of this. Originally, I couldn't find the contract address, but going through the white pages of OPTIMUS actually showed me the contract address. So I'm gonna go ahead and purchase 117 Matic worth of OPT2 tokens, so I can start earning that 1% daily. Okie dokie. So go here. I'm gonna go ahead and press confirm. Man, I just been nervous since the hack. I can't wait for my ledger to come in. Okay, my transaction has been submitted. Okay, confirm transaction. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to here. I'm gonna go back here to Optimus. All right, I'm gonna go to account, connect my wallet. Is it showing anything? Okay, I had to connect to a different wallet. Okay, told you my nerves been there. Anyway, so right here it says my wallet has 123 OPT2 tokens, and that equals to about 104 US dollars. So I'll be earning $1 a day, people. Let's go. That's $36 a month. Plus, not only am I getting that just off of the $100 investment, that means that if I had put 1,000, I'd have been making $10 every day, 1% of that. But also the price action going on with this token, and as it's getting more and more popular, the price is driving up. So as you can see, it is even increasing before your eyes if you're looking at it. Okay, people. So there's a calculator right here where you can calculate some earnings and stuff like that. But it's straight up to the point. Optimus just seems like something different in the space. And I say follow the trends. I'm bullish. I'm liking what I'm seeing, and let's see what's going on. I might start depositing some more as it continues. There's no referral codes or nothing like that. No fees. So let's just make this money. It's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Y'all know how that go. I'm out.
I get paid to entertain. And all of this is entertainment.